Welcome to the best picks. The best brownie pan is probably one of the most important tools in your baking arsenal, and choosing the right one can make all the difference in achieving perfectly baked, fudgy brownies. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, this video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when selecting a brownie pan, ensuring you create those irresistible, gooey squares everyone will crave. We will explore various materials, sizes, and shapes to help you find the perfect pan for your baking needs and desired brownie texture. Number 5. Wilton Perfect Results Cake Pans. With these pans, creating delicious layer cakes is easier than ever. This set includes two 8-inch square pans, perfect for all your baking needs. They're made with heavy gauge construction for even heating and long-lasting durability. It prevents warping, ensuring your cakes bake perfectly every time. The durable nonstick coating makes releasing your cakes a breeze. Cleanup is effortless, saving you valuable time. These pans are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. For best results, hand wash with warm, soapy water before and after each use. You get two 8-inch square cake pans and a 10-year warranty. Start baking beautiful, even cakes today. What we like? This brownie pan is made with durable, non-stick materials. It provides even heating for perfectly baked brownies every time. If you're looking for long-lasting quality and easy cleanup, this is the pan for you. What people say. The non-stick surface is truly non-stick. Heavy construction so your item doesn't burn. They bake everything evenly. Number 4. Wilton Recipe Right Baking Pan Set. This baking pan set is perfect for baking cakes, brownies, and more. Its durable design ensures even baking every time. Each pan comes with a lid to keep your creations fresh and delicious. Enjoy your treats for longer. Made from heavy steel, it provides even heat distribution and resists warping. The non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze. These pans are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. For best results, hand wash with warm, soapy water. You get two 9x9-inch pans and two lids in this set. Plus, it comes with a 5-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. What we like? This set comes with lids to keep your brownies fresh. It's great for various baked goods, not just brownies. If you need to store your treats and want a versatile pan, this is a great option. What people say. They're non-stick but they are not silicone. If you want that much ease in cleanup, I suggest you switch and make sure you are buying food-safe quality silicone. The lids have kept my stuff from getting stale after almost a week and the pans stack nicely for transport in my thermal bags. Even the lids are amazing. The elevated design is brilliant, plenty of room for decoration and space that ensures the contents don't end up stuck to the lid. And these lids fit tightly. The heavy-duty plastic will still stay on and provide airtight storage for years to come. Number 3. Farberware 9 Non-Stick Cake Pan. This pan is built to last. Its heavy-duty construction ensures even heating for perfectly browned cakes, every time. It resists warping, so you can bake with confidence. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked cakes. This pan features a non-stick coating inside and out, making food release a breeze and cleanup a snap. Enjoy effortless food release and quick cleanup thanks to its superior non-stick properties. It's oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for all your baking and roasting needs. Get creative in the kitchen. This versatile pan is great for cakes, brownies, and more. The possibilities are endless. What we like? This pan is made of heavy-duty materials that resist warping. Its non-stick surface makes for easy release and cleanup. If you need a reliable pan that browns evenly, consider this one. What people say. Has very durable coating. Non-stick. You can feel the thickness of the pans. Cleans and stores easily. Bakes and cooks great. Size and depth is perfect. Nice pan, good weight, and big handles that are easy to grip with oven mitts. Heats evenly, light color equals less risk of burning. Number 2. Boxiki Silicone Cake Pan. This innovative pan is made from high-quality, non-toxic silicone, making it easy to release your baked goods. Say goodbye to sticky messes. It features a sturdy steel frame, preventing sagging and ensuring long-lasting use. Bake with confidence, knowing it will hold up to the task. It's perfect for brownies, cakes, and so much more. Get creative and explore endless baking possibilities. Cleaning is a breeze. It's dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleanup after every use. It's safe for baking, microwaving, refrigerating, and freezing. It's the versatile baking companion you've been waiting for. We stand behind our product. Your satisfaction is guaranteed, or your money back. What we like? This brownie pan is made of flexible silicone for easy release. It's also dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. If you value convenience and easy cleaning, this is a perfect choice. What people say? It's really awesome. Because of the silicone, it is easy to clean and maintain over time. However, because of the metal, it also maintains its shape going in and out of the oven without pouring things out the middle when you try to pick it up by one side or both. Yes, these are really great. They have all the flexibility and non-stick properties we want from silicone, but they don't spill and they aren't flimsy because they have the support of metal. They hold their shape, and don't tip or turn, and no spills. The best part of no spills for me, no extra messes to clean up. Easy to use and store. And also really easy to clean, no heavy scrubbing needed. The handles make it so easy to use and to grab out of the oven, and the bread never sticks. It's great. Number 1. Beasea Brownie Pan. It features 12 individual cavities, each perfectly sized for bite-sized treats. This makes portioning easy, especially for kids, and eliminates the hassle of cutting a large cake. The non-stick coating ensures your brownies release easily. A quick flip and tap is all it takes, and cleanup is a breeze. This pan is designed to give you perfectly crisp edges and a soft, moist center every time. It's ideal for brownies, but also works great for muffins and other baked goods. Use it to make more than just brownies. It's perfect for mini loaves, cheesecakes, and even jello. The possibilities are endless. It's non-stick, durable, and easy to clean, everything a baker could want. Make it a thoughtful gift for any occasion. What we like? This pan creates perfectly sized individual brownies. Its non-stick surface ensures easy removal. If you need individual portions and easy cleanup, this is the pan for you. What people say? Heavy duty, check. Easy to clean, check. Every brownie being perfect, check. Not only did this pan reduce the cooking time, but each brownie had crispy chewy edges and a chewy gooey center. The non-stick surface is excellent. My mini egg frittatas and meatloaf muffins slide out effortlessly, making cleaning a breeze. The size of each cup is perfect for portioning meals. I love the edges of brownies, so this is perfect for edges on every brownie. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.